Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 30th algorithm video. In this task we are given two strings and we need to check if they can be converted into an anagram. Two strings are called anagram if one of them can be converted into another by rearranging the letters, and for that we need to delete minimum number of characters. So if I explain to you the pseudocode, this is string 1, this is string 2. The first character C is already present here, so we need not delete anything from it. This D is present here once, both D's are present here, so we need not delete anything. However, this D is repeated, this D is happening twice in this string 1, so we need to remove one D from string 1. This G is already present here, so we need not delete anything, and this K is not present in string 2, so we need to delete K also. So if I show you, if I delete one D and one K from here, both of these strings are now an anagram. Now that I've explained to you how this algorithm would work, I need to convert this string 1 into a list and string 2 into a list 2 so that I can use the remove function. And I also make a blank list of list characters removed. If length of string 1 is greater than your length of string list string 2, for I in list string 1, if I in list string 2, if I is present in list string 2, I delete a character from list string 2. Else, if it is not present, if the character of list string 1 is not present in the list character of list string 2, that means that character needs to be appended to list character removed. List character removed dot append I. And if the length of string 2 is greater than the length of string 1, then we do for I in list string 2, if I is present in list string 1, then list string 1 dot remove I, and if the character of list string 2 is not present in list string 1, then I append the I into list characters moved. Now, as explained to you earlier, to make both of these strings anagram, we need to delete D and K from string 1. So if I change the questions to say AA, BB, CC, and string 1 is ABC. Now length of string 2 is greater than the length of string 1. So to convert both of these strings into an anagram, I would have to delete one A, one B and one C from string 2 to make both of these characters anagram. So one A is deleted, one B is deleted and one C is deleted. So you can see both of these characters are now anagram. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.